Love, dating, and courtship in a traditional country like the Philippines has been different before to what it is now.
Sa akong na-observe sa among generation karon kay manguyab gani kay murag through chat na gani siya and ganang murag dili gid siya formal karon kay bisag magkailala mo sa party or kuan nya magchat-chat ra bo then magkauyab din mo unlike before kay formal gid ang pagpanguyab.
Very paspas kaayo. Like isang chat mag I love you na.
In 𝗟𝗏𝗟𝗃𝗧𝗏 Museum, every February, guests can get a live reenactment of how courtship and love were before. The event is called Rites of Love. It is an immersive experience for culture enthusiasts, the youth, and avid museum goers as they are taken on a journey that showcases various traditional courtship rituals from the classical harana to the candid poetry of the 𝗟𝗏𝗟𝗏𝗘. Fast facts about traditional courtship. Harana is a traditional Filipino courtship where a suitor visits the girl's house, usually with friends, and sings beneath her window. The girl then appears and either accepts or rejects his romantic gesture. Pamisita is a stage in traditional courtship where the suitor visits the lady's home. He is usually led to a spot where they can talk, but her mother or another matriarch keeps an eye on them to make sure they follow proper behavior. We love sharing and passing down our traditions to younger generations, ensuring that our culture remains vibrant and alive.
Para ma-preserve ang tradition sa Filipino.
Para na ko lang murag makibaw ta sa murag kaagi sa una sa ato mga parents o sa ato mga lola ug lolo kung gayon sa nila pag meet and sa ilang process sa pag ilang marriage ana.
During the Rites of Love, guests were treated with performances of the 𝗟𝗏𝗟𝗏𝗘, an extemporaneous exchange of love verses between a man and a woman. Danced and mimed, it is accompanied by a song, or the dancers themselves sing, improvising the steps and verses. Also, the Sortido Cebuano, a square dance said to have originated in Bantayan, Cebu. Cebu's culture and history are a treasure, and it is our duty to preserve and honor them. And because we love being a Filipino, we safeguard our heritage and also strengthen our identity as Filipinos and Cebuanos. Let us continue to pass on these traditions, ensuring that the rich legacy of our ancestors lives on for generations to come.